Hi, I'm Amy, and I'm here to answer the question, how do I change the battery for my motion detector? You'll notice at the bottom of the motion detector, this little section here. If you put a little bit of pressure with your finger, you can actually push down and it will lift up the cover. Now that we have access to the battery, we can now go ahead and remove it. I typically go from the left side and I'll pull up. And just like that, the battery has been removed. With your brand new battery, making sure that you're paying attention to the positive and negatives and matching it up on the same side, you can go ahead, sit it on top, and just push down, just like that. And you have now successfully replaced the battery in your motion detector, and you can now go ahead and put the cover back on. Thank you for watching us at TELUS.